Hey everybody, Tim here, Headgear Garage. We got what should be a pretty easy project in the shop today. We are just going to be putting a new muffler on this 2014 Nissan Juke of ours. I went through already once and patched this muffler up. It had rotted out right in here, right to this straight section had just rotted out. So I cut it apart and welded in a new piece to get us through the winter on that. But the internals on that muffler, I think, are pretty well shot. So we're going to be replacing it. We got a new one. And then at the end of the video, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the old one apart just to see how bad it was inside. So stick around for that as well. But let's, without any further messing around here, let's get started. This should not take very long. All right, let's start by getting it up in the air. Okay, let's see what we got here. As you can see, this is the section I welded in. It's a cobbled up mess, but it sealed up and it worked for the winter. So let's get that thing knocked out of there. It is held on, and I'll show you. It is held on with those little rubber isolators. There's 3 of them on it. So just pry those off, unbolt it. Not necessarily in that order. Since I've had this off before, it should come apart pretty easy. But not unless you use the right socket. That one wasn't even tight. This job, I don't have it. Messing around here. Let's get started. This should not take very long. Let's move you guys back just a hair. Okay, it's down. Listen to it. Yeah. All right, the gasket's installed. All right, there's our old one. There's our new one. Let's get that new one in. You know what? Let me uninstall that for a minute. Come on. Oh, that did the trick. What you have going on here is you got the bolts in here don't match the holes. They're not clocked right, and this flange is different than the old one, obviously by a little bit. So this, you get this bolt hole in, this one's meaning this one is too low. So what I'm going to do is take that fingers crossed. I'm going to take that clamp loose and see if I can't. Once I do, see if I can't twist this up. That's all we got to do here. So. Fingers, toes, crossed. That was probably the easy part. Let's see what we got here. My gasket. All right, we finally got her bent and twisted around here enough. It's lining up, so got my gasket in. Make sure it's in place. That was a fight. But, you know, wouldn't be any fun otherwise, right? Change machines. Whoop, let's crank that on instead of off. Click. That's as tight as I can get her. Let's put that hose clamp back on. Full send. All right, we got the Juke back down on the ground. Let's fire it up, see how she sounds. Don't want to breathe that very long. Woo! All right, we're going to call that mission success. Now, as I said, just for fun, let's cut that bad boy open and see what the inside looks like. Yeah, that's going to be fun. Let's do it. All right, we got the plasma set up. Let's just do some hacking and slashing. What do you think? What are we gonna find? Rust and chaos? Okay. Wow. It's interesting. I don't know. I'll bring you in here, take a look. So, yeah. Exhaust coming in on this line, going out on that line. Not sure why there's holes here and here with nothing in them. Just a lot of rot and rust in there. But honestly, what is that? Yeah, I don't know what I expected, but there's a lot of crud laying in the bottom. You could hear it jiggling around, and yeah, I don't know. So there it is. Hacked open. I expected, I'll be honest with you, I'm surprised. I expected these tubes to be a lot worse shape than they are. But hey, what are you going to do? Either way, it was junk. All right, that's going to do it for this episode. I appreciate everybody watching. If you liked it, please consider hitting that like button. Also, consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Either way, I really appreciate you coming along for the journey. As I said, it was just going to be a short video, but it was a job I had to get done, so might as well video it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Tim here, Headgear Garage. We're out. Hope to see you on the next one.